Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
I will show an easy method to recover contacts from your mail account today. First, open your email provider and go to Contacts. Next, check the trash and archive folders for deleted contacts within 30 days. Then verify account sync in settings and confirm the primary email account is selected. If you see a contacts export option, export a backup copy as CSV or vCard. VCF. Keep this backup on your computer or cloud storage for safety and quick restoration. Now perform the recovery step by step with focused actions and clear choices. First, select any deleted contacts and use Restore or Move to Contacts options. If you cannot find those options, use the mail provider's Restore Contacts tool for a 30-day rollback. When Restore fails, import the exported CSV or vCard file into Contacts or People on your device. Finally, confirm each restored contact has correct names, email addresses, and phone numbers before closing the interface. Prevent future contact loss with simple habits and 2 backups for security. Enable automatic sync and check that your primary account is syncing contacts daily. Schedule weekly exports and save 1 backup copy on cloud and 1 on a local drive. Label backups with dates so you can choose the correct version quickly. If you delete contacts intentionally, keep a temporary backup and verify restored contacts before deleting any backup copies. These steps keep your address book safe and recoverable with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.